Many people say that pi is equal to 22/7, but is that really true? Let's find out. Imagine a circle with a diameter of 1 unit. Pi is the ratio between a circle's circumference and its diameter. If we carefully unwrap the circle's circumference and lay it flat, we can measure its exact length. The circumference measures approximately 3.14159 and so on. This special number is called pi. Notice that pi is slightly greater than 3. Now let's place 22/7 on the same number line. At first glance, it looks very close to pi. Let's zoom in and examine the difference more carefully. Look closely. There is a small gap between pi and 22/7. They are close, but they are not equal. Pi equals 3.1415965 and continues forever. 22/7 equals 3.142857 and also continues. 22/7 has a repeating pattern, making it a rational number, but pi never repeats and never ends, making it irrational. So is pi equal to 22/7? No, 22/7 is only an approximation of pi. Pi is an irrational number, and its decimal digits continue forever without repeating. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and classmates. We'd also love to hear from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning becomes easier when you practice every day. See you in our next lesson.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught